Okay. Got a 1949 Dodge Coronet. Recently replaced the engine in it. We had to pour transmission fluid in the cylinders to build the compression up. Originally it started out at about 60. Anywhere from 40 to 60 on all cylinders. Put transmission fluid in it. We built them all up to about for anywhere from 110 to 150. They're gonna fire her up. All right, ready? Oh well, she fires. All right, we'll try it again. Okay, one more test shot. Is it still squirting fuel? All right, guess yeah, like she ran out of fuel. Yeah. All right, let's try it. One more. Now this. I think that's all she wrote on that until we get some more fuel in it. Who knows?
We were going to England. She had some.
Oh, okay.
God, let me try them things. God, darn, stop eating this. Ain't stop eating them sick.
All right, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, she's flowing over now.
Oh.
Hopefully, ain't flooded it. Let's see what she gonna do here.